Hi everyone. We haven't posted because it's just been raining. I just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know that everything's just been raining. We haven't done anything. We've done a little bit of in between rain and stuff when it was kind of dry. We did some rototilling. We did rototill over there. Okay, so that didn't go quite as planned. We let the little chicks out. It's good to get them out and get them eating grass for a while. We also did the ducks. Baby ducks are in the truck hat. But they haven't ventured out yet. But what a job this is going to be. What a mess. Gonna have to try and fix this somehow. I think it might be time to build a new one. Put it on our to-do list. Well, our plants have been sitting out here in the sun. Some of them got a little sunburnt. But I'm kind of surprised these ones didn't do so good. I mean, we transplanted them, but they're not really big. These ones are in K-cups, and they're doing awesome. What's wrong with this picture? You can see out in the pasture, Piggy Sue is out there. But all the piglets are there. So we rototilled all up top and we rototilled down here. We tried to get some weed guard down, but it just started, it was so windy, it just blew off. So we just left it. We're gonna try and finish that up when it gets drier out. Right now everything is a mud pit. We went ahead and rototilled this and we planted it with some corn. It's some glass corn for popcorn, and also our squashes are in there all planted. We got the garlic bed weeded, and onions I weeded again. They weren't real big, but I keep trying to get them weeded, but it looks like it might need weeded again with all this rain. Weeds have been growing like crazy. We went ahead and on the side of our house, this is where we plant all of our spices and stuff, and we have some lavender in a pot. We also have some rosemary there. Our rosemary from last year did not come back up, so, and we had a mild winter, so I'm not sure what I'm doing. Tell me how to grow rosemary so it comes back every year. If you know how, leave it in the comments. Let me know how to get it to come back. We've tried multiple times and it just dies. Darren weeded all of that, and we're getting ready to plant those out. Again, we're just in between rainstorms. Everything has been wet. I have the next 5 days off, and I'm hoping to get some stuff done, but the weather is not cooperating right now. Well, here's a project I'm gonna do on a rainy day. It's a Yard Machines chipper and shredder. And we're having a hard time getting it to start. So I'm gonna rip it apart and clean out the carburetor and stuff and see if it'll start. So that's my little job I'm gonna do today. Let's see if it's gonna work.